So here's the problem I have. So here's this lady named Rose Green. If I go look at I'm in, invitation managers where I manage all my invites, and you see here's Rose Green. I'll send her a message up here. She sent me an invite originally in January of 2018. I asked her why did she want to connect. She did not respond. So you can see, within usually within a week, 2005. February 5th, 2018. After January 29th, I sent her this message and asked her to follow me. Whenever I send the follow message, I hit the ignore button. So I ignored the invite after I sent her this message and asked her to please follow me. Now, fast forward to about a week ago, she sent me a new invite to connect, and I sent her this message, and I asked her, why does she want to connect? I can't send a message. The fact that I hit the ignore button back on February 5th, I cannot. When she now sends me a new invite, I cannot message her and ask her why she wants to connect, which is what I'm trying to do right here. I can't send her any messaging. I need to be able to send her a message and ask her why does she want to connect, even though previously she sent me an invite and I ignored it. I need to be able to send a message. Or give me this option. Instead of you blocking all messaging after I ignore, give me the option to ignore and block or just simply ignore. Not being able to message is a failure for our processes in regards to be able to connect in meaningful ways and vet our connections. Do not automatically block when we hit ignore. Thank you. Please get back to me and let me know what you can do to help me.